Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a small but sweet Dollar Tree haul. So first thing's already falling out of the package, and it's this cute little, I only found this one, but I grabbed it because I think it's so cute and I think it'll work great with my Tinker Toasts. If you don't know what Tinker Toasts, I sell it on my Etsy. They're for baby gender reveals, and they're just cute. So, all right, let's see. I found this cute little guy. He's just a little Happy Valentines, and it's the smaller version. It's not the larger one. So I made that cute little DIY for Christmas, and I thought this would make a cute little guy, maybe even for like a tiered tray. So I grabbed that. I also found these. They're matchbook nail files. And for those of you who do my paper crafting DIYs, I'm going to be using this in one of them. And I think it will be really cute and a nice gift for only $1. I am nuts for anything Monopoly. And these are color forms. Do you remember color forms? Like, I loved them. So they're for 2 to 4 players, and it looks like you can play Monopoly with the little color forms. So I'll have to check that out. Teach my little grandsons. I also found this lip oil. This one is in cherry on top, and this one is warm vanilla. So I got these, and it's just a lip oil. That's all it is. But you know, when it gets to be those hard summers and those hard winters, you need some moisture on those lips. This is new to me. I have not seen anybody haul it, but I never know. They are cake decorating tools. How cool is that? So I'm thinking, okay, you can decorate cakes, but you can use them for paper crafting or clay if you're working with clay. So I think these will work just great for a crafter's room. Cute colors, and you get 3 tools for $1. And I think the prices are $1 still at my Dollar Tree. I did find these guys here. They are wood clips. And look at that. They're llamas. Little wooden clips with llamas. And then now I'm just seeing these 2 cactus, and that makes me believe, and those cactus are different from these cactus. Aren't those cute? I saw those and I'm like, oh, I have to get them. They are too adorable, especially with doing the planning again. Don't worry, I will be putting up a planner video after I show you these 2 items. I don't know that I will DIY these much at all. Look how cute this is. I like you a lot, and it's got that beautiful bike with the basket of little hearts on there. Adorable. I don't know how much I will DIY it just because it looks cute and ready to go. I have a chair on my porch that these would look beautiful hanging from. And then look at this, it says Hugs and Kisses with the little scooter. Isn't that cute? So we will see. I may add a little bit of black to it, but that's all I would do. I wouldn't do much of anything else. That is just simply adorable, both of them. And then you could hang them like together, right? Maybe it would go like this. Cute together. I don't know. I think they're cute. I think they will go on my porch and probably as is. You guys, that's all I found today. They are just now getting the Valentine's stuff up at my Dollar Tree, and I can't wait to go back. So if you're not subscribed, I probably will be going back, especially when I go back to California in the upcoming week or so. I might head over to the Dollar Tree, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see what they have there. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.